बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आकिब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेरी वेल। दिस इज़ माई अनबॉक्सिंग ब्लॉग विच हैज़ टू बी पोस्टेड वेरी अर्ली, बट दिस इज़ अ लेट ब्लॉग। इधर मैं होम सेंटर गई थी और वहाँ से थोड़ी चीज़ें लेके आई हूँ। एंड आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। आई हैव डन सम इलेक्ट्रिकल लाइट्स का शॉपिंग भी किया है, बट आई विल शो यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो बिकॉज टू टेक आउट ईच एंड एवरी लाइट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी इन दिस वीडियो इटसेल्फ। सो आज पहले हम लोग होम सेंटर का विज़िट देख लेते हैं। तो चलिए आज अनबॉक्सिंग का वीडियो कर लेते हैं। सो मैं बैंगलोर में मंत्री मॉल को गई थी, वहाँ पे होम सेंटर को मैंने विज़िट किया था और जिसमें द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई गॉट इज दिस वॉल क्लॉक। आई विल शो यू दैट। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस। ऑन एवरी प्रोडक्ट आई गॉट 30 to 40% ऑफ में था, तो आई गॉट सम डिस्काउंट एंड आई विल शो यू दिस वन। As you can see this, the cardboard is attached to this, so I cannot take out now. I'll only take out when it is being fixed. And अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे तो डायरेक्ट it's a very beautiful piece of wall clock जिसमें नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट का डायरेक्शन भी लिखा है। I thought it will be useful for my son to learn the directions. Though he cannot touch it, but he will understand how it is located and all. So I have taken this. It's a copper colored piece. It looks like an antique piece. The original price of this is $13.99, but I think I got this for $1,200. Yes, something like that. As I told you, on every product I got 30 to 40% discount, so it costed me around $1,200. And next item is this beautiful wall plate. As you can see, it's in golden color with a purple color flower in the middle. It is actually a ceramic product. It's a very beautiful product. You see, I got two hooks holders. It is very thick and heavy. Very ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा weight है इसका। 799 या 800. And next one is this one. It's a metallic piece. It's a metal which is coated with golden color, as you can see, and the flowers are also of metal. I thought I will pair up with the ceramic one. It is also very sturdy material and it is handcrafted, but surprisingly the cost of this is not too high. And if you see the price of this, it is just $599, and it looks like this if I take out this one. And if you see the back side of it, it is like this. If you don't like the color of this, you can repaint it. And it has a hook here which can be attached to the wall easily, and it has 4 stand like thing. So I thought this is an excellent piece. Along with this, the similar ones, these have 3 and here if you see, they are little bigger ones, and same in size. Even this is about, this is also about same 599. It's the same price. And if you see this clock, the color of this clock matches with my guest room color, so I thought it will be perfect for that room. And if you can see, it's a beautiful pattern inside. It costed me just 300 rupees. This is not from Home Center. This is the only product which I did not get from Home Center. This is from Spar. Very nice product. And if you check the price of it, it is from Spar, and the price of this is 499. I thought that it is the best deal. 3 mirrors for 500. So, and the patterns are also very nice. So I thought I can place them out of the house. And it is a very big piece. It is a wall decor art. This is from Home Center. It is also handcrafted product, and these are the metal ones, which is placed on a wooden frame. It is also very sturdy, for which I am very happy that I got this, as it looks that it is very costly, but it is not. It is just 3000 rupees. It's a beautiful fountain, and I will show you. This is not from Home Center, this is from Hometown. And I will also show you how it works. It's a tub given to fill the water. Here it is, where the motor is already fixed here. I made the shopkeeper to fix there itself. See, it's fixed. Now I'm going to fill this tub with water. Isn't it looking very pretty? Now I have fixed everything. As you can see the look of it. From the back it is looking like this, and from the front it looks like this, and it is an indoor fountain. And if you check the price of this, it is 3995. How it is functioning, isn't it very beautiful? ये ऐसा वर्क करता है. यहाँ से पानी जाके फिर इधर से then again it goes here. We have to change this water for every 1 week or after 10 days. I always wanted to have a fountain in my house. Because I cannot build a big fountain, I have taken a smaller one. So these are all the things which I got from Home Center and Hometown. So I hope you like my collection which I have got from Bangalore. I hope आप सबको मेरा ये collection पसंद आएगा. And with this I'm going to end the vlog. अगर मेरा ये वीडियो आप सबको पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, एंड अगर किसी ने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन, बाय बाय.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't